Good morning, student. How are you? I hope that you will be fine. Our last session, I completed chemical bonding and some exercise question. Now I am going to start your third A chapter, acid, bases and salt. Acid, acids, bases and salt. First, I am going to define the term acids. Acid derived from Latin word acidulus, which means sour taste. Means sour. Acid. Second definition, that is a small definition. Acid derived from Latin word acidius, which means sour. Second one, bases, mostly metallic oxide and hydroxide. I am taking example of calcium oxide and calcium hydroxide. Metallic oxides and their hydroxide known as bases. What is salt? Salt is formed by complete neutralization of acids with base. One example, acid. Salt is formed by complete neutralization. This is hydrochloric acid. And base I am taking here calcium oxide. Suppose that X form calcium chloride and water. This is salt. Salt is formed by complete neutralization of acid with base. Now I am going to start the term first one, acid. First definition I have given. First definition, acid derived from Latin word which means sour. Second definition, that is easy definition. Acid. Acid is formed when acid is a compound when dissolving water, it give hydronium ion. Suppose HCl, when it's dissolved in water, it give H3O plus hydronium ion and chloride ion. Means acid is a compound of when it's dissolved in water, it give hydronium ion. That is the second definition. Similarly, base definition I have given, all metallic oxide, sodium oxide, sodium hydroxide, all metallic oxide and their hydroxide are called bases. Now, easy definition for acid, bases and salt. See that. One example I am taking water, H2O. It's H plus OH minus. After ionization, a compound is called, one more example, sodium chloride. After dissociation, it gives sodium ion and Cl ion. A compound is called acid, which after ionization or dissociation give hydrogen ion as a only positive charge ion. What is acid? Any compound. A compound after dissociation, it give hydrogen ion as a only positive charge ion. That compound itself known as acid. Example: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and only three example I am taking: nitric acid. Remember that after ionization, it give hydrogen ion. This one also give hydrogen ion. This one also give hydrogen ion as a only positive charge ion. I hope that definition is clear. Any compound after dissociation, it give hydrogen ion as a only positive charge ion. That compound are called acids. Next, bases. Bases. See that alkali. Just I say that all metallic oxide and their hydroxide. See that calcium oxide I am taking, metallic oxide. when it's react with the water, it's give CaOH whole twice, and this reaction is exothermic reaction. Means, see that soluble bases, all metallic oxide and their hydroxide are called bases. Soluble bases are called alkali. Soluble bases are called alkali. So now what is alkali? Any compound which after dissociation it give OH ion as a only negative charge ion, that compound itself known as alkali. See that sodium hydroxide it give sodium plus ion and OH minus ion. Potassium hydroxide it give potassium plus OH minus. Similarly, calcium, ammonium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide after it give NH4 plus and OH minus. Means all definition that is given here. Any compound after dissociation it give hydrogen ion as a only positive charge ion, that compound are called acids. A compound after dissociation it give OH ion as a only negative charge ion, that compound are called alkali salt. What is a salt? Any compound which after dissociation give positive ion other than hydrogen ion and negative ion other than OH ion, that compound are called salt. Any compound after dissociation it give positive ion other than hydrogen ion, negative ion other than OH ion, that compound are called salt. That is only about the term acid, bases and salt. In your book, page number 39, little bit definition given, but that definition is very easy definition. What is acid? Any compound after dissociation is give positive ion other than positive ion hydrogen ion. Any compound after dissociation it give hydrogen ion as only positive charge and that compound are called acid. Any compound after dissociation give OH ion as only negative charge ion, that compound are called alkali. Any compound after dissociation it give positive ion other than hydrogen ion and negative ion other than OH ion, that compound are called salt. Now classification of acid. I will finish first acid, then base, afterward salt. Classification of acid. Acid can be classified in 4 groups. First one on the base classification. First one on the basis of first one sources. See that the acid which obtained from plant, that acid are called organic acid. The acid obtained from plant, that acid are called organic acid. Already you have studied citric acid, malic acid, formic acid, ascorbic acid, etc. The acid obtained from minerals, that acid is known as inorganic acid. First one organic. First on the basis of sources, first is organic. Second one is inorganic. Inorganic, already you know that HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. I have written here given example of strong acid, nitrous acid also, sulfurous acid, acetic acid, phosphoric acid, mostly acid are there. Now, one more thing before this chapter, I am going to explain. Just I explain what are the bases: metallic, basic oxide, and acidic oxide. So I have explained here on the basis of their sources. First one is called A, sources, organic acid and inorganic acid. After that, the oxide of non-metals known as acidic oxide, oxide, and the oxide of metal. Many examples are there here: nitrogen dioxide, sulfur, nitrocarbon dioxide, phosphorus pentaoxide, all metallic oxide. The oxide of non-metal known as acidic oxide, and the oxide of metal known as basic oxide. Okay, so only second one on the basis of A, sources. Second one on the basis of second composition, B, on the basis of composition, basis of B part, composition. On the basis of composition, acid two type. First one, hydroacid, means the acid of hydrogen and halogen, HCl, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide. These acids are called hydroacid. Second one, oxyacid. Oxyacid means the compound which the acid which contain oxygen, like sulfuric acid. See that, oxygen. Nitric acid, oxygen. Means on the basis of their composition, acid are two type: hydroacid and oxyacid. Third one, on the basis of strength. On the basis of strength, there are two type of acid. First one is strong acid, and second one weak acid. This one C part on the basis of strength. C part also two type, that is strong acid, strong. In strong acid, what is a strong acid? In page number 40. Page number 40, definition already given. Strong acid is depending upon the composition, depending upon the concentration of hydronium ion. In that, when the formation of hydronium ion is maximum, means totally hydrogen ion converting to the hydronium ion compound, that acid is called strong acid. In book definition given, depending on the concentration of hydronium ion present in the aqueous solution of the acid, that is called strong acid. Weak acid, second one, weak acid. The acid, strong acid example I am giving, mostly HCl, HNO3 and H2SO4. These three acids generally known as strong acid, whereas weak acid, acetic acid, phosphoric H3PO4, nitrous acid, HNO2, sulfurous acid, H2SO3, etc. Many examples are there that you can classify strong acid and weak acid. My dear student, if you want, you can write the homework. First homework, define acid, bases and salt. Second one, what do you mean by alkali? Third one, classify the acid on the basis of their sources and composition. And please read page number 40. Page number 40. Thank you. Have a nice day.